Once you exit Pyramiden Metro Station, turn left. Walk straight ahead until you reach the first intersection. At the first intersection, turn left. Continue straight until you reach the second intersection. Turn left again. You are now on the apartment street. Continue straight until you reach the main entrance of the building. Once you reach the main entrance, close this video and open the check-in instructions link. There, you'll find step-by-step instructions on how to access the apartment.